Hi everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my Poundland haul. You know, I don't actually know if I can call this a Poundland haul. It's probably the smallest haul I've ever done. Money's a little bit tight this month. I've just come back from Marbella for my friend's hen do. So yeah, I didn't feel like I could go in there and spend a fortune, which is easily done in Poundland, by the way. It's just a mini haul of really sort of the best things that I could find, the most useful things. There's a mix of beauty, sort of home stuff, cleaning stuff, and there's a toy in there as well. So if you want to find out what I got in my mini Poundland haul this month, then keep watching. But anyway, so I'm going to start with this. I was actually really amazed when I saw this in Poundland. I needed toothpaste anyway, so not very exciting. I was just going to get some normal toothpaste, and then I saw that they had the Pearl Drops toothpaste. I used to use this years ago. I don't know if anyone else remembers it, but it used to be really popular years ago, and I just stopped hearing about it really. But it does work. It's got a good reputation for whitening your teeth, so I am going to be giving this a go. It's a pretty big bottle as well. That should last a while. So yeah, for £1 you can't really complain about that. So I'm going to be giving that a go. The next thing I got is really not exciting, so sorry about that, but I got some hemming web for, well, shout out to anyone who is short or who often buys jumpsuits or trousers and they are too long. This is a must-have. It's so easy. You just fold up wherever you want your trousers or jumpsuits, particular for me, I'm really short. You just fold up wherever you want them to be, and you put this hemming web underneath where you folded, and you just iron over the top and it sticks it together. I mean, if you're good with a needle and thread, then don't worry, but I most certainly am not, and this is really easy to use. I don't know how much you get. 10 meters. I mean, that's a lot for £1. Also, my partner is also pretty short, and I think he needs some trousers turned up for a wedding that we're going to next week, so this will be well used. I was really amazed by actually the toy selection they had in Poundland. I mean, for £1 you don't really think you're going to get that much toy selection, but there was quite a lot there. Most of them were for older children. My son is only 1, so most of them had like little bits and weren't really suitable for him. But they did have this, which is one of those Echo microphones. I mean, if you didn't have one of these, then what's wrong? Why did you not have one? Everyone had one of these when I was little. And he is now talking, he's saying words, he likes the sound of his own voice. So I think he'll like this. I'm not going to try it out on camera. I'm sure you can imagine what it sounds like. Yeah, not bad for £1. Not bad. I just noticed on the back it says not suitable for 0 to 3s due to small parts. I can't really see any small parts, apart from this maybe. I mean, he never plays on his own anyway, he's always supervised, so I think as long as he's being supervised it'll be safe to use. But yeah, I thought I'd let you know that it does say that on the back. Whoops. On to the best bit now, which is obviously the cleaning and household things, which a lot of people find really boring, but I don't. Clearly I'm not going to leave Poundland without some Zaflora. I got my favourite one, which is Linen Fresh. It's the best smelling one in my opinion. Just quite a neutral smell. Some of them are really floral and really strong, which is nice if that's what you want, but this is always my favourite one. I also got these, which are Airwick stick up air fresheners for small spaces. Honestly, they smell really, really good, and the picture on the front has them sort of stuck in the lids of bins, stuck where you keep shoes. People sort of hide them under tables. Like, there's loads of ideas on the back. And I just thought, well, genius. And I'm actually making a video later on today. I feel like I'm making videos all day today about how to make your house smell good, especially if you have pets. And these are going to be featuring, and hopefully they'll be good. They smell really nice, and it says that they're vagrant. It says that there's a vibrant fragrance for up to 30 days. Not bad. Not bad for £1. These are also going to be featuring in my how to make your house smell good video, which I'm filming later on today, which are Tumble dryer sheets. Now these, obviously you could just use them in the tumble dryer like normal people, but I'm actually going to be using them to help my sofa and my upholstery smell really fresh. If you want to see how I'm going to use these to do that, then make sure you watch my latest how to make your house smell good video, which will be coming soon. And you get 40 in there. That's amazing. 40. I didn't think there were that many. My last two items are probably the ones that I'm most happy with, because I keep mentioning this. I have a real thing about how my house smells, especially because I have a dog and he's old and a bit stinky. So I've often got the candles burning, the diffusers, you know, all that. And I had a wax burner that I loved, and I knocked it over and it just smashed to pieces. But they had them in Poundland, just your basic cream wax burner. I mean, it doesn't need to look fancy, does it? And they also had the wax melts to go in it as well. I got vanilla orchid. They smell really good. And you get 6 of those for £1, which is brilliant. So I'm going to be using this today. Hopefully it will help make my house smell like I don't have a dog. So guys, that's it. That's probably the shortest Poundland haul, or any haul that I've ever done. I don't think you can really call that a haul, to be honest. But considering I spent £8, I'm pretty happy with that. I actually spent a little bit more than that because I was with Clint, and obviously he had to buy a drink, a bag of nuts, sort of things. Like I keep saying, a lot of these things are going to be featuring in my how to make your house smell good video. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see it, or if you want to see any future videos of mine. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.